Hi guys, welcome to Telecom Forum channel. This is Silam Vasan Chandran. Today we are going to talk about telecommunication acronyms. AC, that is alternating current. AC SPD, alternating current surge protection device. AC CP, AC circuit breaker. ADC, analog to digital converter. AGM, absorbed glass material. AH, ampere hours. AIR, antenna integrated radio. AIU, antenna interface unit. ALD, antenna line device. ALM OVP, alarm over voltage protection. AMM, access module magazine. ANA, access node application. ANSI, American National Standard Institute. ARP, antenna reflection point. ASC, antenna system controller. ASC FTU, antenna system controller, field test unit. ASP, authorized service provider. ATS, automatic transfer switch. ATU, access termination unit. AUAS, administrative unit, alarm indication signal. AUH, auxiliary unit hub. AULOP, administrative unit, loss of pointer. BBS, battery backup system. BBU, battery backup unit. BCP, battery circuit breaker. BCCH, broadcast channel control. BDS, navigation satellite system. BEM, base station element manager. BFU, battery fuse unit. BMS, battery management system. BNC, Bionet Neil Consulman. BSC, base station controller. BSS, base station subsystem. BTS, base transistor station. BU, battery unit. BW, bandwidth. CA, carrier aggregation. CAN, controller area network. CB, circuit breaker. CBU, control base unit or control circuit breaker unit. CC, component carrier. CCU, climate control unit. CDMA, that is core division multiplexers. CDU, combining and distribution unit. CE, channel element. CEM, channel element module. CF, connection field. CFDS, customer feature delivery system. CFR, code of federal regulation. CLI, command line interface. CLU, climate unit. CM, control module. CMP, core multiplexer board. CMBP, core multiplexer board protection. CN, compact node or core network. COM, that is common. CP, connection panel or connection point. CPUB, combined power and fan unit B. CPI, customer product information. CPP, connectivity packet platform. CPRI, common public radio interface. CPS, common provisioning system. CRAN, centralized radio access network. CSA, Canadian Standard Association or cross sectional area. CSM, core site multiplex. CSF, CEMS server platform. CSU, control supervision unit. CV, configuration version. CWDM, coarse wavelength division multiplexing. DAC, that is digital to analog converter, direct air cooling or direct attached cable. DAS, distributed antenna system. DB, that is decibel. DB, dual band. DBA, digital broadband advanced. DCR, direct current resistance. DC SPM, DC surge protection module. TDU, DC distribution unit. DF, distribution frame. DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol. Dual inline package. DL, downlink. DLL, data link layer. DM, distribution module. DN, distinguished name. DNR, do not revert. DOU, DC output unit. DBX, dulux filter. DRU, double radio unit. DSL, digital subscriber line. DSP, digital signal processor. DU, digital unit. DUG, digital unit for GSM. DUL, digital unit for LTE. DUS, digital unit multi-standard. DUW, digital unit WCDMA. DFDM, dense wavelength division multiplexing. DXU, distribution wave, switch unit. E1, that is 2 Mbps transmission link. E3, 34.4 Mbps transmission link. EACU, external alarm connection unit. EBB, external battery backup. EBT, equipment potential bounding terminal. EC, enclosure control or European Community. ECB, enclosure control bus. ECM, electronic circuit breaker module. ECPRI, common public radio interface with support for 5G front haul. EF, that is equipment fail. ELIS, electronic license information system. EM, element manager. EMC, electromagnetic compatibility. EMF, electromagnetic field. EMU, energy meter unit. EOC, end of charge. EOD, end of discharge. EB, equipment protection. EPC, environmental and power control. EPDU, enhanced power distribution unit. EPP, ESC, patch panel. EPS, equipment potential system. EQ, earthquake. ERAN, electric RAN. ESB, external synchronization bus. ESC, Ericsson site controller. EST, electrostatic discharge. ET, external exchange terminal. ETSI, European Telecommunication Standard Institute. FAU, fan unit. FCC, Federal Communication Commission. FCU, fan control unit. FDD, frequency division duplex. FE, fast Ethernet functional earth. FET, fixed electrical tilt. FM, fault management. FSK, that is frequency shift keying. FS, forced switch. FTU, field test unit. GPPS, gigabits per second. GE, gigabit Ethernet. GMSK, ground fault circuit interrupter. GMSK, Gaussian minimum shift keying. GND, ground. GNSS, global navigation satellite system. GPS, that is global positioning system. GPS OVP, global positioning system, over voltage protection. GRU, GPS receiver unit. GSM, global system for mobile communication. GUI, graphical user interface. HC, hybrid combined. HEX, heat exchanger. HOD, high ohmic distribution. HP, higher order path. IO, input output. IBW, installation bandwidth. ICF, initial configuration file. IDB, installation database. IDL, inter-DU link. IDM, internal distribution module. IDU, indoor digital unit. IF, interface. 1GP, interrupting ground blink. IP, internet protocol. IPv4, IP version 4. LA, location area. LAC, license activation code. LAN, local area network. LCD, liquid crystal display. LED, light emitting diode. LKF, license key file. LMT, local maintenance terminal. LNA, low noise amplifier. LNE, line event. LP, line protection or lower order path. LPRDI, lower order path remote defective indication. LPS, lightning protection system. LPZ, lightning protection zone. MBPS, megabits per second. MCB, miniature circuit breaker. MDF, main distribution frame. MGW, media gateway. MIA, manual intervention allowed. MI, massive internet of things. MIMO, multiple input, multiple output. MME, mobility management entity. MMI, man machine interface. MO, managed object. MO, managed object model. MOW, metal oxide capacitor. MSRDI, multiplexer section remote defective indication. MSM, multi-standard single mode. MU, main unit. NA, not applicable. Again NA, not applicable. NB, narrow band. NC, normally closed. NE, network element. NGS, node group synchronization. NGS, node group synchronization. NMC, network management center. NO, normally open. NOC, network operation center. NPU Node Processor Unit, NR No Request, NSB North Star Battery, NTP Network Time Protocol, O&M Operation and Maintenance, OMC Operation and Maintenance Center, OMS Optical Multi-Serve Operational Maintenance Support, OMT Operational Maintenance Terminal, OPI Operating Instruction, OS Operating System, OSP Outside Plant, OSS Operation Support System, OSSRC Operation Support System for Radio and Core, OTTR Optical Time Domain Reflectometer, OVP Over Voltage Protection, P Protecting PA Power Amplifier, PBC Power and Battery Cabinet, PC Personal Computer, PCA Portable Control Adapter, PCB Printed Circuit Board, PCF Power Connection Filter, PDH Pure Synchronous Digital Hierarchy, PDU Power Distribution Unit, PE Protective Earth, PFC Power Factor Controller, PFU Power Filter Unit, PIU Plug-in Unit, PLD Power Line Disturbance, POE Power over Ethernet, PM Performance Monitoring, PPS Pulse per Second, PU Power Unit, PT Packet Terminal, PSU Power Supply Unit, PSTU Packet Switched Termination Unit, PWM Pulse Width Modulation, QAM Quadrature Amplitude Modulation, RNTTE Radio and Telecommunication Terminal Equipment, RAN Radio Access Network, R/W Read and Write, RBB Radio Building Block, RBS Radio Base Station, RDI Radio Dot Interface, RD Radio Dot, RDS Radio Dot System, RET Remote Electrical Tilt, RET Remote Electrical Tilt Unit, RF Radio Frequency, RI Radio Interface, RMM Removable Memory Module, RNC Radio Network Controller, RO Read Only, ROHS Restriction of Hazardous Substance, RRU Remote Radio Unit, RS Regenerator Section, RSM Remote Site Management, RU Radio Unit, RUG Radio Unit for GSM, RUIF Radio Unit for Interface, RUL Radio Unit for LTE, RUS Radio Unit Multi-Standard, RUW Radio Unit WCDMA, RX Receiver, SAN Site Antenna Node SAU Support Alarm Unit, SCC Site Cell Configuration, SCH Synchronization Channel, SCU Support Control Unit, System Control Unit, SD Signal Degrade, SDH Synchronous Digital Hierarchy, SDN Site Data Node, SF Signal Fail, SFN Site Failure Node, SFE Small Form Factor Flexible Unit, SFP SFE Protection, SFTP SSH File Transfer Protocol, SHU Support Hub Unit, SID Site Installation Document, SIM Subscriber Identity Module, SIU Site Integration Unit, SM Single Mode, SMO Standard Module Overview, SMU Switch Multiplexer Unit, SN Simple Network, SNMP Simple Network Management Protocol, SOC State of Charge, SOH State of Health, SPD Surge Protection Device, SPM Support Pressure Meter, SSA Site Sharing Adapter, SSE Site Support Cabinet, SSH Secure Cell, SWR Standing Wave Ratio, SW Software, SXU Support Extension Unit, T1 that is 1.5 Mbps transmission link, T3 45 Mbps transmission link, TCH Traffic Channel, TCP Transmission Control Protocol, TCU Transport Connectivity Unit, TDD Time Division Duplex, TDDU Tunable Triplex Duplex Unit, TEC Thermometric Cooler, TG Transceiver Group, TIM Trace Identifier Mismatch, TLI Tributary Line Interface, TM Transmission or Transmission Module, Transport Module, TMA Tower Mounted Amplifier, TMA CM Tower Mounted Amplifier Control Module, TMR Transmission Track, TN Traffic Node, TPU Transist Protection Unit, TRX transceiver, TUB timing unit board, TX transmitter, UC uncombined, UDP user datagram protocol, UI user interface, UL underwriter laboratories or uplink, UMTS universal mobile telecommunication standard, UPS uninterrupted power supply, USB universal serial bus, VLAN virtual local area network, VSWR voltage standing wave ratio, W working, WCDMA wideband code division multiple access, XLAM external alarm unit, XMU auxiliary multiplexing unit, XPIC cross polarization interference canceller. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.